done. Done and dusted. Now let's go finish off these two ones. Oh, he's back up. I shouldn't do that. Oh, great.
This is for my
He's not dead, you know.
I'm running.
Run! By the way, it's out of bullets. Yeah, come on, let's go. Come on. Oh, we're not done here. Right, where'd he go? Did you see which room he went in?
Well,
Did you see what room he went in? That's it, you're gone now.
wait 1 sec. 1 tiny second. Give me a second. How did you kill my pet?
I told you before I didn't.
Ow!